tour through the Geode profile app. This is a nice, simple, but incredibly powerful app that you can use as a jumping off point for people to find you on all the different Geode apps, to know all about you and more. So let's try it out. There are 3 things we can do here. We can update our profile. We can look up the profile of a specific account, or we can do a search for profiles in a couple of different ways. So let's try it out. So the first thing I'll do is update my profile. If you have never put a profile in here, then it's going to be the same as if you are updating your profile. Every time you update your profile, you are completely overwriting your previous profile. So you'll fill this out each time you want to overwrite it, and you can do that as many times as you want. So I've made a text file for myself here. So this first thing is the account for this profile. So that's the account that I am filling out the profile for. You might have many accounts. You might fill out a different profile for each one, and you can do that. So the first thing here is preferred display name. I'll put that there. The second thing I've got is location. Expertise and offerings tags. This is where you want to write in just a set of comma separated keywords. So then the bio, we'll just copy that, put that in there. And if for some reason there's a funny character in there that it doesn't like, for example, emojis do not play well in there, then it'll turn red and let you know that it didn't like something that you put in there. Okay, we'll put in a URL to the photo. So you're not uploading a photo. Don't do file upload for any of these. But you are just putting in the URL of a photo that you would like to use as your profile photo. You can grab this from anywhere you might have a photo online. Some other social media app, your own website, anywhere you have, possibly a Google Drive, depending on how you have your privacy set up. So anywhere this is going to pull your photo from. Then we can put in some websites. And then this is where we are letting people know which accounts we're using for all of our different apps. You don't have to use the same account for every app. Then we have an opportunity for any extra info. This was like bio, can be whole paragraph. And if you've got a character or something in there that it doesn't like, it will turn red to let you know. I also have a choice here to show or hide my profile from the search feature. You can't hide your profile from somebody asking specifically for it. So if you really want to get rid of it, just go in here, zero everything out, and delete everything out and submit it as empty. But this will just hide it from the search features so that anyone you actually hand the account public key to can look up your profile, but it won't show up in searches. So this is an option. I'm going to set that to no. I don't want to hide it. So then we'll submit it. We can see this is going to be, because I put quite a bit of information in here, 309 milligeode. That is 0.309 of 1 geode. Sign and submit. We see it working. Very nice. Success. So you can overwrite your profile as many times as you care to. So let's try looking up a specific account. So I'll look up mine because that's the one we just put in there. Again, who's asking and what account you want to look up. View it, and there we go. So the profiles turn out really nice to go. We can see the links and where they're going, because you always want to see where you're going before you link to somewhere. We can click the link to bring up those pages in a separate tab. And then we can just click that again to close it, and we can check out the search features. We have two options for search features. I can search by account or by keyword. Now you'll notice that in profiles, I had a whole list of accounts where you can find me on different apps within the Geode system. So the by account search is asking, give me all the profiles who list that account in their profile. Why would that be interesting? Well, I might like to know who's listing my account and claiming it as their own. Ooh, luckily it's just me. Okay, so that's great. But you can also search by keyword. Keyword search for profiles is incredibly powerful because it is searching in the bio, in the more info, in the tags, in all of those text fields. And so we'll just try a little keyword search here and see what we get. So this will return a whole set of bios that you can go through, and you can see what they're about. You can see where they're located. You can get to them on different apps. So if I wanted to take this and then go check on, oh, okay, I want to go see the life and work resume for this person, I can use this button to copy their account ID, go over to life and work, and pull their resume specifically. So keyword search is a great way to find cool people to look up their resumes, find great people to follow on social, for private messaging, see what they're doing in the marketplace, and so on. So we can then close that back out, and that is Geode Profile.